The excavator-mounted Denis Simov destroys tall trees with raw power like no other. This machine tackles tough terrain with the elegance of a raging giant elephant, shredding tall trees into pieces. Equipped with Denis Simov, it operates as if devouring everything in its path. The machine's power is unbelievable. It can bring down a tree with just one grind, making the entire process look like a work of art. Oh no, the giant tree fell and crushed the car to the surprise of the mechanic. Unexpected incident when workers helplessly watch the tree fall and destroy the house. A big loss for the homeowner. The giant beast log loaders weighs about 68,083 pounds. Equipped with massive steel arms that make moving large logs effortless. The arms stretch out like a surgeon's robotic hands, effortlessly lifting the enormous weight of the wood. A massive log is safely lifted onto the truck without any fuss. Now it's time to transport the logs, showcasing the incredible technique at work in the forestry industry. A large tree suddenly fell down, causing the guy to fall down, creating a cloud of dust and smoke. The accident happened unexpectedly, and this guy's subjectivity will be an expensive lesson. Witness an epic clash between nature and machinery. The powerful beast, the Model 1720 stump puller, faces off against massive tree trunks in a test of the monster's strength. It seems like a balanced match, but even at full throttle, the beast uproots stumps with ease. Stubborn roots are effortlessly torn out one after another. the stump problem is no longer an issue, making the land easily workable for the forestry industry. The forest is breathtakingly beautiful as an Ecolog 688 harvester skillfully trims logs within the woods. This massive machine moves with its engine roaring in sync with the rhythm of the wind. It just lifted that giant stump out of the ground. What a sight! The Ecolog 688 resembles a metal monster with immense power. Its sturdiness is like the jaws of a shark gripping the stump and pulling it out of the earth with just a flick. I wonder what it would feel like to drive that beast. Handling stumps is no longer a hassle. The SP8018-TRX stump grinder is here to save the day. This bad boy boasts a grinding wheel with a cutting range of 43 inches above ground, 18 inches below ground, and an 80-inch sweep. This specially designed machine and its shaft make it extremely easy to use, whether you're tackling construction or landscaping projects. This grinder is your new best friend. Get ready to save time and energy. If you appreciate simplicity and efficiency, this tool, the Stump Ripper, is your soulmate. Designed with minimalism, yet delivering maximum power, it works like a sharp claw, cutting roots and pulling stumps out of the ground. The saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover," is absolutely true for the Stump Ripper. Beneath its compact appearance lies a fierce power, a truly impressive tool. The Vermeer HG6800TX is a wood chipper boasting incredible output power. This beast is equipped with a massive cutting wheel fitted with tungsten carbide blades, making it easy to crush large blocks of wood into chips. The Vermeer HG 6800TX engine has a power of 950 horsepower and weighs 92,000 pounds. This machine is an engineering marvel, designed for optimal efficiency in its work. Have you ever felt the primal force as a tree succumbs to the saw? The skilled lumberjack approaches the giant spruce on the high mountainside with confidence, making each cut with expertise. The sound of the saw and the scent of fresh sawdust mark this significant moment. It's not just about conquest, my friends. It's a symphony of steel biting into wood. The way the tree seems to hesitate before it reaches the crescendo of splintering fibers. And then, with a resounding crash, down falls the largest tree he has ever cut.